Hey there! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of food and everything related to it. Today, we have a captivating topic that'll make you see pigs in a whole new light. Yes, you heard it right. We're exploring the astonishing similarities between humans and our pink, curly-tailed friends, the pigs. Believe it or not, we share about 98 of our DNA with these adorable creatures. So, get ready to discover just how much we have in common and how that tiny tune makes all the difference between being the rollade or savoring it. All right, folks, let's kick things off by getting up close and personal with our porcine pals, the pigs. They may seem far from us on the outside, but looks can be deceiving. Beneath those cute snouts and curly tails lies a surprising similarity: our genetic makeup. Our DNA matches about 98 with pigs, making them some of our closest animal relatives in the animal kingdom. Fascinating, right? But don't worry, we won't start growing curly tails anytime soon. Now, let's dive deep into the science behind this intriguing genetic connection. We'll explore the overlapping genes that make us more similar than you might ever have imagined. From our immune systems to our organ structures, there's a surprising level of genetic harmony between humans and pigs. So, the next time you enjoy that crispy bacon or savor a delicious pork dish, remember, it's almost like indulging in a distant relative's delicacy. Pigs are remarkable creatures, and their similarities with us extend beyond genetics. They are highly intelligent and social animals, just like us. Did you know they can recognize themselves in mirrors and learn tricks as quickly as some dogs? We'll delve into the fascinating world of pig behavior and discover just how clever and emotionally expressive they can be. Maybe you'll start feeling a bit more connected to these pink beings as we uncover their impressive cognitive abilities. All right, let's address the elephant in the room: the pig's role in the food industry. As much as we share genetic similarities, we also have a complex relationship when it comes to consuming pork products. We'll take a closer look at the ethical considerations surrounding pig farming and the impact it has on our environment and health. Can we strike a balance between appreciating pig similarities and making conscious food choices? It's a thought-provoking topic that'll make you ponder your food journey. But fret not, there's a world of delicious, ethical, and sustainable alternatives out there. We'll explore plant-based options that mimic the flavors and textures of pork dishes, providing a guilt-free and environmentally friendly culinary experience. From pulled pork sandwiches to mouth-watering plant-based sausages, we'll show you how to savor the taste of tradition while making a positive impact. As we conclude our porcine adventure, let's reflect on the importance of compassion and conservation. We've discovered our close genetic link to pigs and explored the ethical considerations around our food choices. Now, it's time to embrace this newfound knowledge and become more conscious consumers. Together, we can support sustainable practices that benefit both animals and our planet. And there you have it, my fellow food explorers, a 10-minute journey through the remarkable similarities between humans and pigs. From sharing 98 of our DNA to uncovering the emotional intelligence of our curly-tailed friends, this experience has been eye-opening and thought-provoking. As we continue our culinary adventures, let's remember the impact of our food choices on our world. Whether it's embracing plant-based alternatives or supporting ethical farming practices, each bite can make a difference. Thank you for joining us on this unique food journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future foodie explorations. So, until next time.